we divide 880 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 8 and it is 38. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 0 and it is 30. So 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 880 divided by 5 is 176. So this much for today and thanks for watching.